Welcome back to Yarn Inspirations as well as the knitcrowd.com. I'm your host Mikey. Today we're going to work on purl 3 together. So if the pattern asked you to put 3 together, purl 3 together, this is how you're going to do it. So normally with purl you have to make sure that this yarn strand is going to be in the front before you begin to do the purl, and then normally with purl you go into the front like so. So this needle stays on top. So putting 3 together, instead of just going into one, you're going to just position and collect 3 of the loops onto it. It's going to get tighter as you get in there because that's a lot to collect, and you're going to wrap the needle just like you normally would have for purl and then just bring it on through to the back side. So these 3 just became one. That's purling 3 together, and slide those off. Let's show it one more time. So collecting 3 stitches, so 1, 2 and 3 as a regular purl, wrapping the needle in the front side there, coming out through the back. These 3 just became one, and slide those off. So that's how you do purl 3 together. On behalf of Yarn Inspirations and the Knit Crowd, I'm your host Mikey. We'll see you again real soon.